what's the treatment for teeth grinding? The answer is it depends, because not all teeth grinding has the same cause. Sometimes we use a Nightguard to protect the teeth, but that doesn't always address why it's happening. And in some patients, if there's an underlying airway issue, a Nightguard may not help, and sometimes it can even make symptoms worse, which is why we may also need to look at the sleep quality, stress and the nervous system, and even the airway and breathing. Because the goal isn't just to stop the grinding, it's to understand what's driving it. Treating teeth grinding isn't, just about the teeth, it's about the system behind it.